Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be about one of my favorite exercises, which is the push-up. Push-up has always been very popular, especially if you are into strength training. And after training several clients in the past many years, I have seen most of the people do push-ups incorrectly. So why push-ups need to be done correctly? Because doing it incorrectly can lead to back or shoulder injuries. So it's very important to do it in a safe and correct way. So in this video, I have come up with a beginner tutorial to teach you how to do a proper push-up, and later on, I've also come up with a normal push-up tutorial and how you should do it. Not only it will help you to strengthen your arms, but it is also a good exercise for your pectorals, your lower back, and also strengthens the whole of the core. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's start. So guys, let's start with the beginner push-up first, and in the end, I'll teach you how to do a normal push-up. As you see, beginner push-up is done on the knees. 2-3 mistakes which are very common when people do a beginner push-up is their body going in a straight line. So when you do like this, your arms are not taking the load and all the weight is gone on the lower body. So what we have to do is we shift our body weight slightly towards front. As you see, my toes are off the ground, my legs are being crossed, and my stance is shoulder width. I'm not going too wide. And from here, I shift my body weight forward and now try to touch my nose on the ground and then slowly come up. Now for some of you, it will be difficult to go deep, which is totally fine. All you can do is just go halfway through. Even if you go halfway through, you will feel the strength of the arms getting better and your arms taking all the load. Another mistake which people do is they hyperextend their back too much when they do push-ups. By hyperextension, I mean the back is curved too much, which puts unnecessary load on the lower back, which is never good in the longer run. One more mistake which is very common when people do push-up is their elbows going outwards because they want to go deep. This is a very harmful way of doing a push-up. Puts slow, unnecessary load on the rotator cuff and also not good for the posture. So beginners can do 4 to 5 sets of 8 to 10 push-ups. It's okay if you cannot go deep, but just practicing this push-up, you will see your arm strength getting better and eventually you'll be doing a normal push-up. Now let's do a normal push-up. I'll pinpoint a few more mistakes when people do a normal push-up. So normal push-up is done, the knee goes up, and our goal is that the chest and nose touch the ground and then I come up. So as you see, I'm doing it in a very controlled way. What people try to do, they use too much of the momentum, which is not good in the longer run. And also, if you want to develop more muscle mass and strength, you have to keep a rep range between 8 to 12 and try to do it as slowly as you can. One more mistake which people do in a normal push-up is they lift their hip too high and then try to go down. Again, you won't see a good results like this. And also, people hyperextend their back too much and lift their upper body before they lift the lower body up. Everything should go down in a straight line and then came up. Just like in a plank position, your head to your heels, everything should be in one line. As you see, my chest and my hip goes down together and then I come up. This is a sure short way of doing a push-up in a very safe manner. You can also do push-ups on a bench in an inclined position and gradually build up on the ground. And also you can use stairs. Start with the higher stairs, gradually go down, and when you're ready to do a push-up on the first stair, that means after a few weeks you'll be ready to do push-ups on the ground. So I hope this tip helps. Thank you very much. So guys, I hope you liked the tutorial and you'll be adding push-ups in your routine, and most importantly, you'll be doing it in a safe and correct way. If you become good at push-ups, not only it will help you to develop your upper body, but you can also add a lot of variation with time. For example, if you do a diamond push-up, it helps you target your triceps more. If you do a wide grip push-up, it will help you target the chest more. And also there are many other push-ups which can be added in your routine. But first, most important thing is that your form should be right, and especially the hip position. Push-ups are done from the core. Arms are just an extension of the body, and they are accidentally developed when you do a push-up. But basically, you need a strong core to perform a good push-up. So core position is very important when you do this exercise. I hope you like this video. I'll be coming up with more fitness tips in future. I'm also giving my Instagram link in the description. Please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, all of you. Have a nice day.